Pour corn syrup into a small plate. Place edible gold stars in another small plate. Dip the rim of each glass into the corn syrup, then press the rims down on the gold stars until each rim is fully coated. In a non-stick saucepan over medium-high heat, whisk together the water and Jello mix. Cook the mixture, whisking continuously for 2 to 3 minutes or until the gelatin is completely dissolved. In a pitcher, combine champagne, ginger ale, and gelatin mixture. Stir well to combine. Carefully pour the champagne mixture into each of the prepared glasses. Refrigerate for 4 hours or overnight to allow the Jello-Shots to set. Garnish each Jello cocktail with a fresh cranberry and serve.